Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel FoodyMomm. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, I'm back with a product review in which I am reviewing Vaseline Intensive Care Advanced Strength Fragrance Free Body Lotion, which is over here in front of you guys, and it's clinically proven to restore the appearance of very dry skin in 5 days, and it's appropriate for sensitive skin with micro droplets of Vaseline jelly. So friends, I have been using other body lotions which were there in my stock, but then they were all finished. Then I thought of shifting to Vaseline because there was some kind of offer going on, and I've been for very long using Vaseline lip balm, so I thought of trying this one new because it was new, and I was really attracted seeing this scale, which is particularly over here that says light to rich. So rich means the kind of consistency this particular product has, and I really loved it because it says for very dry skin. My husband has a very dry skin, so I bought it for him. It's a non-greasy lotion which will be used by me also because I have a bit of oily skin, so I thought of something that I can also use. So seeing non-greasy lotion thing written on it, so I thought that this will be really good product for me as well. And it comes in a packaging of 750 ml. It's quite heavy, so I won't recommend you carrying full bottle while you are traveling. You can take little bit of it in a airtight container. Plus this thing deeply moisturizing took my heart because when I started to use this moisturizer, just a pea sized of product was enough to smoothen or moisturize my both hands by I mean only this much part. Telling you more about this product, this is the overall bottle which has this push pump on it. So let me tell you about its fragrance and consistency. Rest things we'll discuss later. So as you can see, it has a very thick consistency. That's why it is written over here that it is rich. It's not that light kind of a moisturizer. It's bright white. It's not off-white. And I'll just show you that how rich it is. Like this is how, because that is actually a very big quantity that I took in one pump. So just see how it moisturizes my both hands in just few seconds. And I really love this product. Even when you wash your hands, you don't feel dry at the same time because it's so thick, it's so glossy, it's so thick that it actually gets attached to your skin, that it doesn't wash away in just one wash, that you are washing with water, not with soap. So just see the shine that I've got on my both hands. And being winters in Australia, this is really helping me out. But since it's a non-greasy lotion which is written over here, so you can also use it in the summertime. It will be perfect to use. You will not feel that greasy kind of a thing. As you can see my hand, they are not oily or greasy. Even I can feel that freshness and moisturized kind of a feeling on my hand. Now telling you more about this stuff. Now let's share its features. So it's fast restoring when your skin is dry and rough, moisturizes to relieve even stubborn very dry patches, which is correct. I have used it on my husband where he had very dry patches and they are all corrected now. So it's clinically proven to keep the appearance of dry skin restored for up to 3 weeks, appropriate for sensitive skin, absorb fast for a non-greasy feel. So actually friends, it's doing everything that it is claiming to be. All these 5 points are like 10 on 10 from my side. Now telling you about the directions: apply all over daily after every shower. Caution is there. And what else is there? Nothing else. I mentioned the ingredients. I'm looking for for its shelf life, that how much life does it has, but I think this bottle will go a long way. And I really give 2 thumbs up to this product because I truly love this product. Like the people who are having the driest of skin, people who are having oily skin, people who are having normal skin, it's actually good for every skin. And it also says that it's good for sensitive skin also. Usually people with sensitive skin don't get many products, everything is medicated. And seeing Vaseline producing something that is good for sensitive skin has really taken my heart, and I give a +1 for it. And it's been like 2 to 4 minutes since I applied it, and you can see the shine is still there. There's no greasiness on my hands, and they look so moisturized. I can feel they are so soft, and there's no that greasy kind of a feel. So I really hope that you like this product. When you buy it, do tell me in the comment section. If you are using some other body lotion, do tell me. You can also use it on face because it doesn't have a greasy thing attached to it, so it won't create any kind of acne to your skin. Rest, it's your personal personal choice. This is my personal review, as it can vary from person to person, and this is not a sponsored video. This is a product bought by me. And telling you about the fragrance of the product, it has a very nice mild fragrance. It is not that strong that will itch you. It's really very mild, and it's really very freshening. So this is all about this lovely product by Vaseline, and I really liked it. I hope you do the same. If not, do share your experience with this product, and I'll see you next time with another video of mine. Till then, take care. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment, and hit like to this video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.